So, good evening everyone. This is Ajay, application engineer from English Computers India. So here I am going to show you a small webinar about SOLIDWORKS visualization. So how to bring your products to life and cut your time to market. So here I am going to take everyone to engage into SOLIDWORKS visualization. Before that, I'm just gonna ask some questions. Why photo quality visualization is more important? So before I'm going to answer, so I just want to share you one thing. So in front of your screen, there will be two images on the left side and the right side. So here on the left side and the right side, the two images will be page, and one of the images took by the traditional photographer and another one is created by SOLIDWORKS Visualize. Could you able to guess which was the done by the SOLIDWORKS Visualize and which was being taken as a traditional photographer? So on the left hand side, so you can able to see a model. This model has been created by using the SOLIDWORKS displays. So you can able to comparatively see the model has been real life, how will be model product after the manufacture. So you can able to visualize after in the design process itself. And so here the second image I just want to show you. So here the user model is there. So here the another quiz is which one is the traditional photographer model and which one is the created by this SOLIDWORKS displays. So here on the right hand side you can able to see the 3D model which has been done through the SOLIDWORKS Visualize, and the left hand side is being created with the photography. So in comparatively, as I told, you can able to see how influence of quality, the real quality, when comparative to the photography. Okay, fine. The importance of photo quality visualization. Why it is more important? So the users can be able to create a real-time photographic how it will my real-time environment. So the user can feel the difference, and you don't want to invest your cost or money into the costly prototypes. Instead of that, you can improve your reliability by using the software visualization. And when your presentations of your product when entering into the market, you can impress your products even more better by using the SOLIDWORKS Visualize. And the tools are very intuitive interface. The users can feel more better and satisfied when using the SOLIDWORKS Visualize. Since SOLIDWORKS Visualize is a standalone product, not only the SOLIDWORKS CAD users can use, even though the non-CAD users can also use the SOLIDWORKS Visualize model. Those who are from marketing or the content creators can also use SOLIDWORKS Visualize. The major key benefits of the photo quality visualizations: you can able to design your models in a virtual photo studio. So you can able to deliver your products even more better into the market very faster and sooner. So when entering into the market, I just want to elaborate my models and I want to educate my model in a precise manner. So this order visualize will be more helpful. And as I said, to reduce the number of cost by creation of physical prototypes by the repetitive reworks like that. And similarly, that marketing content can be worked in a parallel environment by using the model, building of the model. I don't want to wait up to the manufacturing. So in the 3D model itself, concurrently I can work over here. So what are the solution for all these problems? The great solution for all these problems is SOLIDWORKS Visualize. So here you can able to see the screen. Bunk is the formally known name for the SOLIDWORKS Visualize, which comes under the two different kind of packages. One is the standard and another one is the professional. So what are the things differ from each other? So here I will show you the difference between the standard and the professional. First one is the standard. You can able to create the professional images in an easy and fast manner. So those who are needs of creating of 3D CAD data, they can use this SOLIDWORKS Visualize standard. So this creation of models of displays will be more readily available for the market for the purpose of websites as like that. And the next one is professional. So here the point differ from the SOLIDWORKS display standard is you can even more elaborate your models in a better easy and easy manner. You can take your model into the deeper story. You can elaborate even more by using the creation of animations and immersive contents as like that. So what are the workflows I should follow in a traditional manner as well as the SOLIDWORKS Visualize proposed workflow? So the first one is the current workflow the non-SOLIDWORKS Visualize users will follow is first they used to draw a sketch and converting those sketches into 3D modeling and taking those by using the 3D modelings they create a costly prototypes and after the n number of corrections they go for the manufacturing and calling upon the photographers and after that they take for the marketing sales. As a customer should I wait for this much of long time design cycles? Oh no, the competition will be more higher and there are n number of competitors in the world. So we have to move fast for the next step. So the proposed workflow of the SOLIDWORKS displays to boost your speed into the market is first the sketching and 3D modeling can be achieved in an easy manner by parallel flow and instantly you can able to work on SOLIDWORKS displays and at the same time the next upon the SOLIDWORKS displays you can able to creation of physical prototypes and the marketing manufacturing and on similarly you can work on the marketing and sales. So this can able to achieve you people into the time reduction of 40%. So this obviously this takes you to the increase of the return on investment even more faster and those profits can be applied in the some other areas to improve yourself. So the major benefit of SOLIDWORKS displays is the live update of the CAD data. So if suppose I am working in a SOLIDWORKS CAD model and as well as SOLIDWORKS displays, should I work on the if any changes or modification which I have been done in SOLIDWORKS model or other CAD models, the CAD models can be updated automatically into the SOLIDWORKS displays. I don't have to work on the individual and I don't want to spend my time lot of time for my changes and modifications. The modification which has been changed are done in the 3D model. This similarly affects in the SOLIDWORKS display so that I can save a lot of time here. So the another added benefit of SOLIDWORKS displays is the integrated cloud library. So the cloud library in the tools can be acquired by the appearance cameras, either the environments or the backplates for the different backplates to achieve the real life environment and the different textures. So in a single way, I just want to share you on the about this audio display is display is the camera for CAD data. So today I am going to show you how this audio displays environment and how can we able to build the models and by using the user interface tool. Let me see them in action. So here, this is the SOLIDWORKS Visualize environment. So here you can able to see the different kinds of tools here. The top of the taskbar you can able to see the different render selections, the output tools like the lead force, and as well as the here you can able to see the integrated cloud library as I told, the models and the appearances and scenes which I can apply and the cameras I can work in the different positions however I will be work in the real-time environment and the libraries. So here the added benefit of SOLIDWORKS displays is the feature tree. So as how like in the CAD models, 3D CAD models, as like that the feature tree can be able to retrieve here. And the appearances tools here, the lots of appearances they have been worked and this like in history. So here what are the appearances I have been done in my model, it saves in like a history. So and the next one is scenes. So here in the scenes I can able to place my different backplates and the light settings and the cameras I can able to work here. And here in the cameras for the each tools you can able to see different drop down options and so here the general I can able to do the perspective view and the focal length I can able to control like that. So at last is the library. So here in the library I can able to retrieve this much of tools like appearances, environments, the models and the backplates and the working of projects, textures, etc. So here I just show you for an example. I just want to change my appearances like that, and the different kinds of real-time materials like plastic, wood, not only the metallic materials, also the non-metallic materials also I can able to retrieve easily here, like example as I said, paint, wood, rubber, as like that. So in the different kinds of materials, so for an example I just show you the changing of models. You can able to notice me that I am just simply dragging and placing the tools. I am not working on the tools, I am just simply dragging and the placing of the tools here. So the users, as I said, the users will feel more easy and satisfied manner, so that they can able to work in the SOLIDWORKS Visualize. And the glass materials and how it will be made in the real-time environment like that. So in the different materials you can see, and the placing of cameras. The secondary thing is cameras. So how I will be work in the traditional photographer. As a photographer, I don't want to control my photographer to come to this position and take this position, focus on this position. So I don't want to control them. I can, how I will be in the traditional manner. So as like that, I can able to work in the conventional, tricky, and in SOLIDWORKS Visualize here. So here in camera, as I said, I can able to work on the different tools here, the controlling of focal lengths and the enabling of blurs here. So as like that. So in the focal distance, I can able to control here, and the transformation of my camera, the position. So by controlling of the longitude, latitude, positions, like that, with respect to also with respect to the X, Y, Z positions and the front, the floor, or like that, etc. Or I can also the added benefit of camera, using the cameras I can able to follow with respect to the some other part like that. Should I place my camera, should my camera should follow with respect to the model or the light settings, etc. like that. So let us show you how will be my camera works. So here I like to place my camera, just picking the tool and where I should work, focus on my area. So this is my area, I just focus, and the remaining places should be blurred. So you can able to see the difference between the focus area and the other areas. So I can easily adjustable. So this like I can improve my quality in products, so that the presentation can be easily done. So and the other one is the backplates. What about the backplates? Here the different kinds of backplates are readily available here, and not only that, I can also able to customize the backplates. So the customizable is, for an example, I would like to change my backplates into my own favorites like that. So also that also I can able to easily achieve here. So for an example, so here I can able to work on the different backplates. So how will be my model in my real-time environment? So this is my backplate. How will be my, so this can be easily retrieved into the websites as well as the printables. So I can work around easily, so that the visualization tools will be more helpful. So if suppose I want to place my lights here, so how will be my light? Just simply working on a camera, I can work in the light similar to. So my light should be here, and instantly you can able to see a display window here on the right side. So here I can able to control my lights here by the position of longitude and latitude, as well as the twist I can able to do, and also I can able to different types of lights also I can able to set, like whether it may be a spear shapes or the plane. So different kinds of types of lights I can able to place here. So for instance, I just want to place my spear, and the temperature also I can able to control the brightness. So this everything is editable and customizable. And next one is environments. So what about the environments? So it's good for the backpage, and what about the environment? So the environments, there are different environments will be placed automatically in the SolidWorks Display toolbar. Also you can able to customize. So customization also can be achieved in SolidWorks displays. So the different kinds of, so let us show you the difference between the environments. So these are the different kinds of environments I can able to change here. So let us show you how the focal length can be adjusted. So as I told, with respect to perspective or the focal length, I can easily adjustable with respect to the backgrounds. So should I focus into the model or either the backlight? So I can easily able to control my perspective length as well as the focal length. And the different appearances as I told. So if suppose I just working on the different metals, also I can able to hear, and some of the categories like that. So how it will be in my real time environment, I can able to work here. So you can able to see the difference. So this how will be my model after my manufacture and then they enter into the market, and how my model is in my design stage. So you can able to feel the difference between the both. So the textures I can able to do, the roughness also I can able to increase for my specific materials. So as like that. So here you can able to see the roughness. If suppose I can able to increase the roughness of my material, so for each materials I can able to control. So everything is customizable here. Either it is a textures or in a general manner. So, and at last I just want to share about the output tools. How will be my output tools, and how shall I take these parts into my rendered images? So here output tools you can able to do either the current model, or I can able to create my configuration. How I can able to create my configurations in the CAD models to a 3D CAD software. Similar to that, I here also I can able to create the configurations for this, and the browsing also the output photo I can able to choose like that, and how will be my output format. How should my output format? So either it is a JPEG or PNG, or is it some other output formats like that, or I can able to render my model with respect to two things. The first one is the time, and respect to the another one is quality. So by respect with respect to time, I can able to set my time so that I can able to take my output for the time limits. So either or the quality the render passes like that. So I can able to work on that. So, and also not only that, as I told in the PPT, you can also able to generate the animations. So animation is also able to create with respect to the different formats like MTEX, Flash Video, FLV format, or like etc. So I'm just going to show you how my model will be output after my this process. And I have got a question. Can able to do the section view? Yes, of course we can able to do a section view as similar in the 3D CAD models. Section view can be achieved in SolidWorks Visualize. So here you can able to find the different cut planes, either it should be visible or like that. I can able to control here. Yes, this section view can be achieved. Okay, here I'm just taking you to the PPT. And the output model which I have been worked here, you can able to find the light settings, the cameras, the positions. So here you can able to feel the difference. It's like an environment. I just took in my camera like that, huh? So you can see the light settings like that. So and next, not only on the consumer products, also you can able to work on the different kind of sectors like water pipelines or the architectural lines or the mechanical engineering lines. So whatever it may be, you can able to work with SolidWorks displays and the perspectives can be easily achieved. And you can able to create the emotional photo quality images in front of your consumers or the customers like that. And the machines, you can able to freeing up your machines even more better in SolidWorks displays. And the content creativity you can able to improve even more better. And not only that, the demanding applications like robotic industries like that also can all able to do displays in an easy manner. Even more better ideas. So by showing up the exploded views, also I can able to do this in animations similar to that. So how it will be in my real time. So creativity, you can bring up the creativity by bringing up the lights. Almost what will be in my real-time environment, the materials you can feel them. Okay, fine. I just want to like to recap my session here. The capabilities of SolidWorks displays under the two different areas is standard and the professional. So you can able to generate the professional images even more better and the photo quality can be increased by rendered output in the standard. As well as the professional, you can create the interior panoramas effect, and within a single click I can able to create a 360 degree spins. I want to rotate my model for my view presentation, so you can able to apply by a single click, and the creation of animations even more better. Okay, fine. I just want to summarize my webinar. So at last, by using our SolidWorks Visualize, you can able to create your rendering performance can be improved even more fast, and entering into the market is really helpful for you guys. The intuitive interface will be more high and easy method by simply dragging and dropping options. Okay, these are the current global clients of SolidWorks displays. You can able to see the different sectors SolidWorks displays can be used, not only on the consumer products as I told, transportation or mobility, or either in the aerospace or defense, architectural or the marine industries can also be used in SolidWorks displays, and so on. So friends, who can benefit from SolidWorks displays and products? SolidWorks Visualize products are created for anyone who needs to create professional photo quality images or either images or animations and other 3D content in the fastest and easiest way very possible. So SolidWorks Visualize hardware agnostic, which means designers, engineers and content creators who use SolidWorks, or not only SolidWorks users, also the other CAD creation tools such as the Autodesk Alias, so 3ds Max, for the products architectural, so yeah, mechanical industries or other design can product and enhance 3D decision making experience in a fast, easy and fun way.